So we are all aware about that we frame the constitution, but we are also aware about that there are so many ideas which have been borrowed from different countries in the constitution, including directive principles, the fundamental rights, various, executive rights, and so many things. So how many of you think that the constitution which was created some 70 years back, more than 70 years back, should have some revision? Should we revise it? So why should we do it? So many times what happens means, first of all, we had borrowed the constitutional principles, so many borrowed principles were there. Later on in the Kedarnath judgment, Golaknath judgments, and then Kedar judgment, these principles were declared to be basic principles. But these basic principles were arising out from those borrowed principles. When India got independent, there was something we were not aware how to really conduct ourselves, just like a nascent boy or girl. He or she starts walking on the earth. He or she is merely able to run. So now in a running position, can we remain in the same constitutional positions? So in my mind, definitely means even the basic principles, even the basic structure as we talk about in the constitutional various constitutional judgments, they would require some overhauling, some reconsideration as per current times. What we were not 70 years back, we are today. So therefore, in terms of today, we must bring about a new constitution. So definitely means this is the thought I share. You may agree or differ, but at the same time, I say, because as the time progresses, we all need some renewal of energy, renewal of thought, renewal of the process. So the constitution which is going around, we are seeing it for last 73 years. So this also may require certain renewal despite all the overhauls which have been done by way of amendments, but certain principles are required to be, exchanged, reinvented.